Pure Kanjivaram soft bridal silk saree, a premium silk for the bridals. Wedding season, we have a very elegant combination colors with golden zari warp. The warp itself is here zari, silk pass tested zari, and all over the floral pattern is woven. This is a woven design, not printed. Fully woven, beautiful design with Meena work on the green base. And we have a beautiful border. Top border is a short 2-inch border and bottom is a 12-inch border. The 12-inch border makes it very rich for your grand occasions, and we have a pallu that is a tissue type, golden zari and green mixed pallu with very elegant design all over the pallu, mangoes and traditional peacocks design, and the blouse piece of the saree is also here in tissue woven design with the pallu same border running in the blouse piece also, which can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. A very beautiful blouse piece. We will get excellent saree for the bridals, elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection, premium silk, very elegant bridal collection it is with zari warp. Here the copper zari is the warp, and we have the floral design with pink base all over the saree. Beautiful, very elegant woven design with Meena work for the finishing. Excellent work in the saree. All over the saree it's an all silk design, and we have a kaddi border in the top, 4 inches border, and very big 12-inch border at the bottom. The 12-inch border makes the saree really rich, and you can see a beautiful pallu. The pallu is a tissue pallu with deep pink color, the magenta pink color for the pallu base, and we have mango design and rich pallu. Same tissue blouse piece, and we have the borders in both sides of the saree. Excellent saree, beautiful design, very elegant for your grand occasions, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful creation, completely handmade with golden zari warp. The warp of the saree, the horizontal threads is completely golden zari, a silk pass golden zari used here, and we have beautiful big borders. Down part border, it's 12-inch border with red base, and we have jacquard weaving, very elegant Kanjivaram, perfect traditional border, and we have the top bottom border, it is a 4-inch one. All over the saree, a mild embossed design with light red and gold combination is in. Almost the saree is full gold, and you can see the beautiful pallu, the zari and red base color, tissue woven, very elegant one. Meena work is done using the same red, closely woven, beautiful and rich pallu, and we have blouse piece which is also in the tissue red and gold zari mix one. The blouse piece also have the big border which can be used for the sleeves, almost elbow sleeve we will get. An excellent bridal saree for your grand occasions, Kanjivaram, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal collection for the brides of India. Excellent gold shade with orange tinge in the saree. The warp itself is a silk pass gold jari and a floral woven design. Beautiful design, and we have a jacquard weaving border, small border, a 3-inch border at the top, and we have 12-inch border at the bottom. The bottom border makes it very rich. The pallu of the saree is a tissue pallu. The zari plus orange threads are used here for the design, and it is a peacock and mango pattern, the traditional Kanjivaram pattern in the pallu. Fully woven grand pallu with same color tissue blouse piece with one side. We have a big border which can be used for the sleeves. Both sides of the pallu we have the borders which can be very elegantly used for a grand blouse with authentic silk mark. The saree is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium quality bridal silk with warp as zari. Here copper zari is the warp with pink color threads, and Meena work is done using gold. Very beautiful concept, very elegant. Woven design all over the saree, all self weaving, and we have a small border, a 3-inch border at the top and beautiful 12-inch border at the bottom. The pallu of the saree is a tissue woven one with copper zari, and we have golden zari work all over. Traditional border with mangoes and the peacocks in the pallu, and the blouse piece is in tissue pink color. We also have the borders in the blouse piece which can be used for the sleeves. A very elegant bridal saree for your festive occasions, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, heavy and beautiful sarees for your bridal wear for the brides of India. Here we have a dual tone beautiful color, green mixed with mild yellow, light neon green color we are getting with golden shade on it. All over the saree we have woven design, which is a all self pattern, peacocks and florals. Done meena work also to finish the, you can see the beautiful deep blue threads. And we have the borders in both sides, which is 8-inch borders. A Kanjivaram traditional border on the base of blue. Combination of green and blue is also perfect here. Best saree for your grand occasions. And we have bright blue color, copper sulphate blue color pallu. The pallu is also beautifully woven with the borders, and we have blouse piece, which is also a blue blouse piece with both sides borders. Borders can be used for your pattern work, sleeve or any neck design. Elegant one. The combination of the saree is very beautiful. Excellent combo with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium quality silk, bridal variety in copper zari work. The warp itself is copper here, pure copper with beautiful pink base threads used for the back. And here a very different design, checks pattern, diagonally checked one. Inside it you can see beautiful leaves design, woven pattern completely, very elegantly hand woven with a very beautiful 3-inch border at the top, and lower half we have a beautiful big 12-inch border, pink base borders, and you can see the traditional borders in the bottom. The pallu of the saree is a tissue pallu with pink and tissue, copper zari tissue, and we have golden zari weaving in the pallu. It's a very rich pallu with blouse piece, which is also in tissue type work. You can see pink and copper zari with beautiful borders in both sides, which can be used for the sleeves. Very elegant saree, beautiful bridal one, comes with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal variety, beautiful zari warp design, golden zari is the warp here, silk pass tested golden zari, and we have a very beautiful floral design all over, woven using the pink threads. Meena work is also done for finishing the buttas, a very beautiful all self design, and we have a small 3-inch border at the top in the blue base and 12-inch border at the bottom, very big Kanjivaram type border. And we have a pallu, which is a tissue based pallu, blue and golden threads is used all over to get a beautiful rich pallu dress. Same way the blouse piece is tissue with blue color base, and we have the borders in the blouse piece also, which will make a beautiful sleeve with a zari border. Excellent saree with beautiful work. Blue base concept itself is very pretty with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a premium quality silk with copper zari as bar. The full horizontal threads here are copper with vertical threads being the green color. A very beautiful all over woven design using the copper and green silk threads. Rose design, and we also have beautiful meena work. You can see the beautiful design in the saree with green borders. It's a kadi border in the top, 4 inches border, and the lower border is a 10-inch border. Beautiful saree with green tissue base pallu. It is the copper zari is the tissue, and we have green used for the pallu. The pallu is closely weaved, beautiful design with border, and we have same kind of tissue blouse piece with borders. The borders can be used for the sleeves. A very elegant saree, very different and exclusive design. Beautiful one for your grand occasions, and it comes with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection. Beautiful zari work sarees for your grand occasions. Here we have a mild orange and gold mixed color saree with woven design all over the body. We have very elegant zari woven pattern. Beautiful design with a small border, a kaddi kind border at the top, and we have a big 12-inch border at the bottom. Beautiful borders. It makes the saree really rich. And we have a pallu, which is also a tissue based pallu with embossed design, and all over the pallu we have the traditional mango pattern woven. Very rich traditional and hand woven saree with the blouse piece that is also in the embossed design. It's a tissue base with embossed design, and we have the borders which can be used for the elbow sleeves. Excellent saree, very pretty one with authentic silk work.